Angular CLI latest version and Node.js installation setup on Windows 11 and Windows 10 explained. Google search box లో enter Node.js download. Enter key press nodejs.org download first link click. Node official web page complete display default third one download select installation Node.js latest version 24.15.0 for Windows. Scroll down bottom side first one Windows installer MSI file first button click. Download section లో node MSI file downloading process start. Completed. Browser minimize. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side downloads folder లో node MSI file select mouse double click. Download folder minimize. Welcome to the Node.js setup wizard window లో second button next click. End user license agreement window లో bottom side I accept the terms in the license agreement left side box tick mark set. Third button next click. Destination folder installation path display in box. In case change the another OneDrive change button click. Present default set. Second button next click. Custom setup window లో installation Node.js features display. Fourth button next click. Tools for native modules. Chocolatey present unnecessary. Skip this option. Second button next click. Ready to install Node.js window లో second button install click. Node.js window లో first button yes click. Installing Node.js. Please wait while the setup wizard install Node.js. Status లో copying new files. Completed the Node.js setup wizard window లో finish button click. Browser reopen. Search box లో enter Angular dev. Enter key press angular.dev. home-angular first link click. Angular official web page complete display. Installation Angular latest version 21. Left side second one docs option select. Introduction section లో second one installation options select. Scroll down. Angular project create related prerequisites install in your system. First one Node.js, second one text editor Visual Studio Code, third one terminal. Scroll down. Install Angular CLI section లో npm installation Angular command display. Right side copy icon click. Browser minimize. Desktop Windows search box లో enter cmd. First option command prompt select. Installation Angular command enter. Keyboard shortcut key Control V. npm space install space -g globally space @angular /CLI. Enter key press. Installation process start. Wait and hear few minutes. Added packages 286 and npm related 68 packages. Installation verify. Angular command ng space version. Enter key press. Angular CLI Foster. Angular CLI latest version 21.2.7. Node.js 24.15.0 and package manager npm 11.12.1. Operating system Win32x64. Complete details info display. In case create Angular project, browser reopen, create a new project related section లో command